So I don't know how well you'll be able to see that, but this is a schematic that came with a kit, and I want to stock this in my little hobby shop. Here's the kit, and what it is, it's a little preamplifier, a vacuum tube preamplifier. This is what it comes with: printed circuit board, tubes, all the stuff. And then I opted for an upgraded version that has a little case that you put it in. This is the little polyacrylic chassis, and then when you're done building this fits in here. The tubes pop out here, and anyways, it's all supposed to fit together nice. So what it's missing, you need to have a 12-volt transformer to power this. And then once you have that, and it comes with these as well, so one of these is an input, one of these is an output, interestingly enough. Once you're done with that, you can listen to it with headphones, which all right, so I'm going to plug in my iPhone to this and then listen to headphones through this. Doesn't really make a whole lot of sense to me. So there's another kit that I'm still waiting to try out, and it is a little mini power amplifier, tube driven, and it has a little speaker in it. So you build this, and then you build the other kit, and then you hook it all up, one end to your iPhone, one end to the speaker kit, the power amplifier, and bam, you got yourself a little mini super fun tube audio kit. So what do you think? Cool? Not cool? I'm gonna build it. We'll find out.